Hey YouTube, it's Dee and I'm back. I remade my salt bars because I had almost a disaster yesterday. Well, today I took some advice from one of my viewers. Thanks, Yaz, for the advice. I did put my fragrance oil into the salt before I started, and it worked out a lot better. As you can see, I got some color. And what I also did, instead of using full strength water, I used about 3/4 worth of coconut milk. I also added some seaweed. And I put some vitamin E in this as well. And I think I used a little Tussin Silk in the water. So these bars should feel really good on the skin. And I think they look great. And believe it or not, it's been less than 3 hours and these things are already set up and out of the mold. No, I didn't have to rush. Putting that fragrance oil in the salt is a perfect suggestion. So if you watch this video and you hear that and you want to make salt bars, put your fragrance oil in that salt and you won't have to worry about it setting up if you've never used it before. I scented these with pink watermelon and Mardi Gras. So they're smelling really good and I think they're looking really good. And the smaller ones, I am still going to give those examples. But we got some seaweed off in there and that should be wonderful on the skin as well. So I want to thank anybody who sees this video. And again, thank you, Yaz, for that suggestion. And y'all have a great day.